안녕하세요. 123 김치의 태연입니다. Hello everyone, this is Taeyeon and welcome to 123 Kimchi. So everyone is familiar with using tofu in Korean kitchen. But what about tempeh, aka tofu's funky brother who deserves more attention? It's both healthy and delicious. So I call this Gochujang glazed tempeh. It's super delicious. It's sweet, spicy, salty, nutty, and aromatic. And I'm sharing with you a little secret to give more crunch to it. So let's take a look at the ingredients first. First, the tempeh. The tempeh is available in all kinds of grocery stores nowadays. It's everywhere. So this is one package of tempeh. It's about 250 grams, and I'm going to cut it into small cubes. And I'm going to diagonally slice the green onion. Here we have gochujang, Korean fermented chili paste, which I'm sure you know already because it's been taking over the kitchen pantries all around the world recently. It's complex, pungent, sweet, and spicy. So one dose of glorious gochujang in the sauce. And Gochugaru, Korean chili flakes to give some extra heat, half a tablespoon. Soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Rice syrup, 2 tablespoons. Rice syrup is another key ingredient in this recipe. Koreans often use it as sweeteners. It has caramel-like malty flavor to it, and it really helps to boost umami in dishes. Now add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic and half a teaspoon of minced ginger. Mix well together and set aside. Now I'm going to pan fry the tempeh. Heat the pan over medium-high heat and add the vegetable oil. Add the tempeh and stirring occasionally, give them nice brown color on each side. This will take around 8 to 10 minutes. Now, this is most important part of the recipe. It's going to give the extra crunch and flavor to your tempeh. On medium heat, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of caster sugar. Let it melt and get that brown caramel. Timing is very important. The last thing you want to do is to burn the caramel, so watch your pan carefully. When it's lightish brown, add the oil, and then it's going to get that brown hue. Now add the pan-fried tempeh and coat it with the caramel. Set to one side of the pan. Pour in the sauce and let it boil and reduce a little. Now it's time to toss all together with the tempeh. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds for extra flavor. And finally, serve on a plate and garnish with green onion slices. I cannot resist any longer, so I'm going to try a bite. There's just so much aroma in this room right now. First, there's a sweet, spicy, and garlicky aroma all in the sauce. And when you bite into it, there's a light layer of caramel crunch. And inside, there's warm and nutty tempeh. This is so good. I want to share with you guys because this is too good to eat alone. Try it with some steamed rice. Of course, you can do sushi rice, but long grain rice like basmati or jasmine rice, those fluffy rice goes so well with tempeh as well. Or a glass of beer is an excellent choice. Now you try yourself and share your story in the comments or on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. 1, 2, 3, kimchi!